The voice of the wind. One day, in a small village, it was rumored that the wind had a special voice. The villagers believed that they could know the future by listening to the wind. Especially under a large old tree, it was said that the wind played the most beautiful melody. The main character, Rena, was always fascinated by the voice of the wind. She dreamed of various adventures while listening to the whispers of the wind under the old tree every day. However, one night, the village was hit by a strong wind. Lena felt a faint sadness in the sound of the wind. This is not just the wind. Something is happening. She sensed it intuitively and rushed to Laoki. When we arrived, the wind swirled violently, and it had an unstable sound that was different from the usual melody. At that time, Lena finds an illusion encountered in the wind. It was the figure of a spirit wandering in the village. I am bound by forgotten thoughts of the past and wander with the wind. If you listen to my story, I may be released. Lena listened to the spirit's story. The spirit was once loved by the people of the village, but in a war, they were saddened and contained in the wind. The moment she learned the story, she felt strongly that the villagers had to restore the harmony they used to be. Let's do what I can, Lena decided. She told the people of the village the story of the spirit and proposed a festival to regain the love and empathy of the past. The people of the village were struck by Rena's passion and decided to aim for the liberation of the spirits together. On the day of the festival, the people of the village united and flew balloons into the sky as a symbol of love and friendship. Then, the sound of the wind gradually calmed down, and eventually the spirit was released and became a beautiful light to watch over the village. At that moment, the wind whispered gently in Lena's ear again. "Thank you for cherishing my story." The village was reborn, and Lena was able to entrust the future to the voice of the wind. In this way, Rena and the people of the village believed in the power of the wind and weaved a new story with the spirits.